Hello everyone. Today we'll introduce two new FGB keys from KEYDIY. This is the FGB25. This one is the FGB08. Volkswagen Golf 8. This one is the Audi water drop design. Now, let's demonstrate for you all. Program these two keys to a Volkswagen 5D vehicle. These two keys currently only support programming for Volkswagen 5D vehicles. Programmed to a 5D vehicle, also compatible with Audi. We've pre-installed the FGB08 in this key for the purpose of the operation demonstration. This key also has the FGB25 pre-installed. This is the original car key. We'll show you the demo in a moment. Program these two keys to the car. The device used is the KEYDIY. Another detail you need to pay attention to is, now, for our keys here, when you first get this key, pressing these two front buttons won't emit any frequency signal. Only the last button emits a frequency signal. This one works the same way. This is normal. Once you've programmed it, all the buttons will emit a frequency signal. Now we'll demonstrate the steps to program the dealer key and the learning key. We have successfully read the vehicle's data from this original key. Then the service code is generated. So we'll skip straight to demonstrating the next steps. Now let's connect the KEYDIY first. Connected. Once connected, access the IMO programming. Click IMO programming. Select Volkswagen. Click 5C5D immobilizer system. Click Start Execution. Let's read the vehicle information first. Place the original car key on the induction area. The induction area of this vehicle is in the first cup holder of the cup holder compartment.
Okay.
Turn on the instrument panel. The instrument panel is already on. The key ID now read out. The ID of the key currently placed on the induction area is E54829B1. There are also two other IDs and some additional information. Then we can write the ID of the original factory key onto the key to be matched. After programming the dealer key, we'll write this ID to it. Let's take a screenshot of it first. Now, let's generate the dealer key. Select the corresponding data service code. Then place the key on the induction area of the KEYDIY. Click KEYDIY FGB Remote Wireless. This vehicle uses the 433/434 of a megahertz frequency. Select the second one. Click OK. Write successfully. Then continue, and let's program this key. Click Generate Dealer Keys. Select the corresponding type. Now, we'll set this key to the same ID as the original vehicle key. Set it to the first ID35A8F4BO. Back to home. Click Chip Function. Click Automation Detection Clone. Click Start Identifying. Now enter the original vehicle ID.
Okay.
Right? Successfully. Then read it again. 35A8F4BO.
Okay.
Then access the IMO programming to program the key. Click Key Layering. And this is the original factory key. Now we'll program three keys. Program the original factory key first. Now open the vehicle's hood. Click OK. The instrument cluster is now illuminated. Select the corresponding service code. Now the first one is already programmed. Take it away. After removing it, place this one on. Matching successful? Now this one is programmed too. Then we'll program the third key. Place the key to be programmed on the induction area. Programming successful. Now turn off the ignition switch. Wait for 5 seconds. Then turn it on again. Programming successful. Test the key functions now. First, let's test the functions of the two KEYDY key models. Remote control function. Test the lock function of the FGB25. Unlock. Now test the FGB08. Lock. Unlock. All key functions are working properly. Test the functions of the original car key. Lock. Unlock. Test the engine start. All done? Wrap it up.